And believe me when I say this will help you to cut off your bad habits in your life. If you are procrastinating right now, this video isn't just a wake up call, it's a mirror for you. You are not lazy, neither you are broken, but there is a reason that you are keep delaying on the things that you care about. And if you will not fix it right now, then you will lose the time that will never get back to you. Today I'll show you why your brain loves to procrastinate, how you can rewire it, and 5 simple strategies that can help you to move immediately. Let's talk about the real reason you procrastinate. Okay, first let me give you a relatable example. Ever opened your book, stared at it, and thought of cleaning your desk instead? This is not avoidance. This is your brain choosing comfort over challenge. There are simply 3 reasons that we procrastinate. The first reason is it's not laziness, it's fear. Maybe fear of failure. Example, what if I messed up? Or maybe it can be fear of discomfort, like what if it is difficult to do? Or maybe it can be fear of not being perfect. Example, if it's not amazing, then why even try? Second reason, your brain is simply addicted to short-term rewards. For example, social media, games, or even overthinking, they give your brain dopamine instantly. Your brain thinks studying, working hard, or starting a project equals to slow dopamine. Your brain rejects it just like a useless app. And third and the most important reason that you have trained your brain to avoid pain. Your brain simply thinks that hard things equals to pain and easy things equals to comfort. So it is basically a loop of escape. Till now we discussed about how one procrastinate or the reasons behind one's procrastination. Now I'll tell you how to kill it in just 5 steps. And believe me when I say this will help you to cut off your bad habits in your life. Okay, so let's move on to the step number 1. Break down your task ridiculously in small parts. For example, say open book instead of saying learn chapter number 3. It is scientifically proven that tiny actions can reduce resistance. Step number 2. Use the 5-second rule. Before doing any work, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then try to do that work. Because actions before brain starts overthinking. This will help you to overthink less. Step number 3. Make distractions hard to reach. For example, log out your phone or switch off your phone and put it in another room. The harder it is to access distraction, the easier it is to focus. Step number 4. Set a timer for just 10 minutes. 10 minutes rule activates momentum. Most of the times, once you start, 90% of people will keep going. And the last step, step number 5, give yourself rewards. After a focus session, reward yourself. Rewards can be like walk, music, snack, or even a 10-minute guilt-free scroll. Make your brain associate work with pleasure. So these were the 5 steps that you can adopt to cut off your habit of procrastination. Now you don't need any more motivation, you just need to start. Few things I would like to tell you. Every time you delay doing your particular task, you are just clarifying yourself that avoidance is okay. And every time you act, you build a discipline. So the choice is yours. You want to avoid it or you want to take action on it. You are not behind. You are just stuck. And now you are having the tools to move forward. Basically, you have trained your brain to delay what matters. But you can also train it to win. Start small, start messy, but at least start today. Because your future self is begging to you. If this helped you, comment start now below and commit to just 10 minutes of the thing you have been avoiding today. And if you want more content on focus, mindset and personal power, hit that subscribe button. Till then, take care and bye-bye.